In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create admin roles in Google Workspace. By the end, you'll know exactly how to delegate the right level of access to the right people while keeping your organization secure and organized. Start by signing in to the Google Admin Console with an account that has permission to manage roles, typically a super admin or someone with delegated privileges. Once you're in the console home, look for the section labeled Account. If your layout looks a little different, you can also use the search bar at the top and type Admin Roles to jump straight there. From the Account page, open Admin Roles. Here you'll see a list of predefined roles like roles focused on user management, groups, service settings, and more. Pick the role that best matches the responsibilities you want to delegate. A helpful tip here is to think in terms of least privilege. Give the minimal access necessary to perform the job, and expand later only if needed. After you've found the role you want, open its row and click Actions. Then choose Assign Admin. This opens the assignment flow specific to that role. Next, click Assign Members. You'll see a field where you can enter the user's email address or account name. Begin typing, and Google Workspace will suggest matching users from your directory. Make sure you select the correct person, especially if there are similar names in your organization. Accuracy is important because the permissions will take effect as soon as you complete the assignment. Select the user from the suggestions, then click. Add to queue them for assignment. You should now see the user listed for this role. Take a moment to review the choice and confirm the role is exactly the one you intended. When you're ready, click Assign Role. The change usually applies quickly, but it can take a minute to propagate everywhere. After the assignment, you'll be returned to the Roles Members view. From here, you can review who has the role at any time, view the details of the assignment, and if circumstances change, unassign the role from that user with a single click. It's a good practice to revisit this list periodically to ensure access stays aligned with current responsibilities. That's it. You've successfully assigned an admin role in Google Workspace. Keep permissions scoped appropriately, document who has which roles, and review assignments on a regular schedule to maintain a secure, well-governed environment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.